Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yo, if you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action, speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, moving on. So this is part 3, the gun, the politician and the cover-up. The untold truth behind the gun-toting politician, DK Duncan, who almost died the day before the 1980 general election. So welcome back, patriots and truth seekers. You have made it to part 3 of our 4-part expose, an electrifying deep dive into one of the darkest and most scandalous chapters in Jamaica's political history. This is not fiction. Don't watch because they much sabotage the channel and do all of them hanky-panky. The truth will reveal one day. You can't hide the truth forever. This is a real, raw, unfiltered truth that the mainstream media, the elites, the enablers of criminals, politics would rather bury under decades of lies. So in this episode, we pull back the curtain even further on the high-risk, near-fatal encounter in St. Elizabeth involving none other than former PMP Member of Parliament DK Duncan and his heavily armed bodyguards, including the infamous Vernie Ironside McCain and Detective Valentine Piggy Williams. So, Black River, St. Elizabeth, the tension in the air was thicker than molasses just one day before the 1980 general election, an election already soaked in blood, fear and political warfare. And there, they were caught red-handed by police officers, DK Duncan and his henchmen, with an illegal Bushmaster submachine gun in their possession. That's right, not a licensed weapon, not for self-defense, but an illegal weapon of war, the kind used for mass intimidation, political executions, and terrorizing communities into submission. Let that sink in. I am telling you because I am from the belly of the beast. No guy can't tell you what I am telling you, unless they are from the belly of the beast. And most people, majority, will not do it because of loyalty to the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and not to Jamaica. They are not patriots. People who are PMP, they don't see themselves as Jamaicans or patriots. They see themselves as PMP because that is how they have been cultured. I mean, I am telling you, I am from the belly of the beast. You understand? So an active member of Parliament, DK Duncan, an officer of the ruling PMP party that was the government then, found with a weapon of mass bloodshed the day before Jamaica's people went to the polls. This wasn't protection. This was preparation for a political massacre. And here's where the shocking twist. Despite being caught, despite the undeniable evidence, no charges were laid, no arrests made, no consequences followed. Why? Because the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization was in power. They didn't just break the law, they honed it, twisted it, and used it to shield their own while sacrificing the innocent. While poor youths from places like Tivoli, Rima were slaughtered by merely wearing the wrong color, politicians like D.K. Duncan was arming thugs and walking free with state protection. That's the legacy of the PNP gave this country called Jamaica. So this incident was not an anomaly. It was a template, a blueprint for how to turn Jamaica into a criminal republic or criminal's paradise, where the line between politics and organized crime was deliberately erased. And now, decades later, we are living in the consequences. Rivers of blood, a culture of silence, and communities held hostage by gangs these politicians help create. So now we ask you, how many other politicians have escaped justice this same way? How many cops like Piggy Williams, Vernon McCain were used as enforcers instead of peacekeepers? That's why Kirk White never get anything. Yeah, Kirk White. Those who used to work at St. Andrew Central who do a detective name, Detective Sergeant Kirk White, then put him back in a uniform and send him to St. Mary, where he retires as detective sergeant, or he retires as sergeant. The man they have more PMP than Michael Malina is from Jonestown. But because he have principle, when Dudley Thompson they were issuing guns, they wanted Kirk to take guns to Jonestown to issue, and him said no, him can't do that because the same guns are returned upon him family, him can't do that. And because of that, the PNP, him and him sideline him, make him a power here. Yes, all of the other criminals them get promotion, but because Kirk refused to take guns to Jonestown and Concrete Jungle and give people that him grew up with. How many lives lost in the name of power, party and political deception? You deserve to know the truth. Don't just be a viewer, be a warrior for truth. Like this video, subscribe to the Jamaica Young Police channel and share this video with everyone you know. Jamaica must never forget what was done to it. And if you want to watch a full video unedited version of this series to get access to content banned from YouTube, join the Patreon squad now. Only the brave will know everything. Stay locked. Yes. Where the political fallout, the police whispers, and the truth they try to bury will all be exposed. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide. This is part 3 of this 4-part series. If you are young, them time when I say young police, I think I just have over 3 year service.
Okay.
I go 4 year. You understand? And the man say, boy, you have to promote you to corporal. Well, you know, not him acting corporal. And them time we have acting, but him say them have promote me to corporal.
Yeah.
And he might make the recommendation for me get the gallantry award. You understand? So me, you know, my brother named Baba Roberts and him thing there.
Yeah.
Good police still do, you know. And he must say, boy.
We know Baba.
Yeah. So me get all a keep and care and them thing there, and the man say the man do that. So boy, about a month I mean hear nothing now. Me you know with my fast self now. Boy, me go stay so down and contact go up a ear chair ask him man, and the man can't believe me, call me outside and the man say, boy, you have more, me a young police in it, man say, boy, you have more enemy than black suit in it. I say, what you mean by that? I find me up, man say, boy, your thing, them time I want ACP when he Barnes, live at St. Elizabeth, you know, from Main Street, you know, him in charge up there, you know. The man, they are more PNP.
No. Barnes never did it them time there.
Yep, me I tell 92, man.
Nah, man, Barnes wasn't there them days, man. Barnes retired already, man. Barnes was in Montego Bay era 1 for a long while.
But when me get transferred to St. Elizabeth, him was the era officer era 3.
You sure?
Me I tell you, man, them because when me there Black River, We used to walk up by man yard on Sunday morning.
Them don't know well if man had 2 Sunday now.
I pay trouble then get.
Yeah, me know well. One of them, the older son died recently, I heard. But the other one used to work at bank, you know. They fix used to work at bank until him migrate come to New York. Yeah, man, because when they come to New York, you know, that's one of the first man they meet up on White Plains Road. He turned Rasta because I not even realize him.
Yeah, man,
I remember Barnes used to do.
Yeah, man, I'm access to these, man. The man, you understand? I'm just knock everything down, sir. You understand?
Aubrey Barnes' name.
So, you know.
He's 92.
Yeah, man, 92, man. Access to these, man, and all of them, man. But me added to other group with the man them, you know, Mutty Scott them and them man there. You understand? John Gaz and Dudley Bryan and all of them man there. The amount of police where I go find where you know see for years and them thing them in a group, you know, over.
You know, because a lot of them the funny one, the Mutty Scott, a lot of them the funny one from Elizabeth. Then Campbell and them, all of them.
Class Campbell, I'm a family, them a friend, you know, close and them thing. Come here, my auntie were dead recently too, you know, and him got a funeral at Jamaica.
Who that?
My auntie named Merle.
Okay.
Ezra them sister. But my father different mother from them, you know.
But me still I wonder about Barnes. Me think Barnes left before 92.
No man, when me go St. Elizabeth, he might tell us I used to go up my man yard on Sunday morning, man.
90.
Yeah, when me there at Black River, I try to get transfer if you even got Mandeville, and the man never helped me.
Me remember when we get the transfer, you know, that time in the year one, him, we go check to find out if he know what I go on. Nobody don't know what I go on.
The man, they're more PMP than Michael, man, the man.
Me never think you left work there by the time there.
No, sir.
Never go ask still anyway.
Yeah, man, check, man, because, you know.
92.
Yeah, man, the brown brother was Campbell, man. And me I tell you, say, I pull if I fight me getting anything, you know. Yeah, me I tell you, say, me I tell you how my luck go on them thing, you know. When me that Hunsby, boy, the first time, cause me, at the trail winner, the first.
Hold on, before it's been a country, you didn't know Delroy? Delroy you with?
Yes, man. Bad police, you know, but boy,
let me tell you something, man. I'm a bona fide boy, that.
So you going funeral?
Yes, man, I'm going to the funeral, man.
But and him wife take everything from the other, and I be pitting them nothing, man.
True.
That's how
me know him have, I you know, come out of me house up here, because whenever I come to New York, me and him used to hang out. You know, see it? Because I know when him, I try to use the power, me down there, him and one named Witter, and one named Mackenzie. Three of them used to, and how me get to know him, when my car probably then come and St. Elizabeth, and then kill a mad boy up at Springfield. And from them days there, me and the man, they are power until he's dead. Yeah, man, they'll ride you with, man. I'm a boy, man.
So you say you know about the case with the police when he quest where him and the man go upon a drug deal, and when they get the money, him kill the man and say a shootout.
That no man, Chris.
Yeah, you remember that case, eh?
That away, which part of it?
I sent Elizabeth to that, my man.
What about it then?
Yes, man, with the AK-47, man.
Oh, no question that, man.
Yes, man. Him dead during COVID. He must kill it.
Bridget, I don't question, man. You thought when he killed boy in Newtown?
Yeah.
Johnson, man. I don't question.
No, man. Baba Roberts charge question man with an AK-47 when them go with a drug plane. After a plane left and then get the money, him kill the man when him carry the man and him thing. I remember my brother name.
What on? Because you have mixed it up. The thing.
No, me not mix it up, man. Him dead about 2 years or so ago.
Quest and Kavika and DC sell one plane around a Braze River.
Yeah.
Right? But nobody know them this so. And the gun no recover this so. The one AK-47 when they recover was in Newtown with a policeman named Johnson and one brother named Burry Boy and the one we did. Three of them. Because Johnson a PNP more than Michael too.
Yeah.
And Burry Boy, they call him Dylan Bennett name. They call him Burry Boy. And one next youth, one when they kill him, he come from over Vineyard. The three of them used to par, used to rob place at night time and all this something.
Yeah.
So one night them decide say, boy, we don't know what happened to them. But then decide say no, I kill the boy. Cause they used to power with a AK-47.
Yeah.
Then go a new town tonight, you know, and decide say never kill the other youth. Him a bird boy. Right? And them park one shop name, the guy is Selvin chap who used to drink. And apparently, we don't know what them do it. But he end up shoot the boy within 38 and then take the AK-47 and gas station go report the boy they kill a man and take off an AK off him.
Yeah.
But it's a long story again, and as a matter of fact, what did I tell you? Because I missaved the same Johnson from the prison.
Because I know say question Clarendon question get away for a case and then tell me a young police.
And which one I don't know man, I must see like a brother when he Fitzroy.
No man, Fitzroy question what charge murder man. May I tell him man?
Then Quest did, I think Quest did shoot some boy a balaclava or something like so. But they never take no AK off him.
Alright, well I see him case man. Cause Baba Roberts in charge him, you know. Baba, I may tell you the police.
Baba Roberts are making in charge him.
Yeah man, may I tell you other police where they come a court with him and him thing there. I think him I when name start with H, him did end up blind and all him thing there, you know, and before him dead.
Howell.
Howell, yes.
John Howell.
Yeah man. And Dacaster, I trade them. Yeah, man, I trade them to come a court, man. Yeah, man.
What year that you attack?
89, man.
Oh, that's how we left, man. After me leave, because I left 89.
Yeah, man, because but I mean, I know them do it still, you know. I know, so me tell you something. So, my ex-skeleton, you know. So look here now, so them admit, because my only ex-skeleton in that group, in that ex-skeleton group, you know. With yeah, man. Me with myself now, them admit to the group. All my assistant commissioner of police. Currently when he in Gary Mackenzie, me and him in a carry.
Yeah, me hear about him.
Yeah, man, the man they are thief, man. The man they are thief. Yeah, man, cause the man they are all, the man that smuggle money out of America for drug dealers from the Klansman gang.
Yeah.
You understand? Me have all the name of the boy and him thing when him do that for. So him no enough for one next police when I carry to, you know. What want to kill me now, me never know, you know. Him know, you know, so me no deal. Me I tell you, I want to know whether him a lawyer now, him down at Westmoreland. Them call him lawyer, bro. No, him a ex-police to him, must kill it to like me, you know. Me and him come from the same place at Jonestown. You know, how him man tell me, because we in the group, you know, my farmer cadet group and them thing. We do all the way from, you know, in 87, 88, when I training JP and then them other people to the group. And we in a group. And through my lawyer and them thing, you know, so everybody are praising man. Me glad for him and thing, and we have some conversation, and you understand what I'm saying. And him now, I say him never did know say I'm something intelligent. And I say, okay. Some say why you say that and them thing, because boy, you know, through me and him come from the same community, and me never gone a big school. Me never gone a big school. Me say a school make you intelligent, Virgin.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, so
you have a lot of bright fools, you know. So
yeah, man. Yeah. So we did there go back and forth, and so him a try now for, you know, him want put himself same superior to me in terms of morals, ethics and decency, and I may say to him say, but remember say a thief you thief, be careful one of the police force, you know. Me say none of only insiders I can't say me a thief and even from me a cadet. So anyway, him there and I say, you know, he might try to insult me, say, boy, when me a cadet, me never used to get nothing from the girl, and I mean, I say, but me have my girl and him thing there, you understand? It's just that me never do like Uno, and you understand what I'm saying, and in time Uno stays and Uno get laid, that man come back and a boast about it. Me say them thing they are private and personal thing, you understand? Me say, you see, because me say, although all the way in the same age, I was more mature than you, and you understand? So me I tell them, say, look here, let me show you a difference with all I Uno and me, you know. You remember the Friday night 10 time bagger? But a three in as cadet where all of the cadet them look up to me. One coolie one and him Dave Walters, him related to a brother near Idol, and him Dark Brown. Everybody afraid of Bagger, and Bagger afraid of me. But one coolie one, you know, everybody afraid of him, you know, but him afraid of me. You understand? And Dog, some people afraid of Dog afraid of Bagger, and Dog afraid of me. But the three we used to part, but me never used to, you know, flex them, cause I just owe me raise and them thing there. So the Friday night now, Bagger bring a girl from Spanish Town here, Vicky. So him have Vicky up in Upper Falkland. So him tell me now, him come to me, you know. And I say, boy, me bring a girl come in there. In time me done, you know, you can't. I said, no man, you mad. I said that no sir, me not in them thing there. I say, he must say what you mean. I said, no sir, them thing there that no right. I said, not me. I said, them time me are 17 a match. I said, me are 17 a match. I said, no sir, me I take up, me ain't that. Anyway, I'm tell all I man them. You see by the time me go back in my room, it's a line the man them farm out of my room door, you know.
Oh, yes.
And I see him liar whether him that Westmoreland now, you know, then call him liar Brown, ex-police. He must scared it. Him are the next man, you know. You understand? So him go after. So me I tell him, say, look here, you can't amount to me, man, because me say after bagger, me say number one, if I was like you, I would be number two, like after bagger. But look here, because I am superior to you, and me have morals.
Yeah.
I could not. Me say, oh, you do it. And I say number one, number one, you not use a condom. You just go right. Me say, Virgin, you go which part and next man go and you. Yeah. Me say, if you never did know that totally different, cause we know women stay.
Right.
But for you know, me say, man, yeah, stop. Hey, me I tell you, say, when me go say that now, someone in our group I say, boy, you know, I say, you know, if you bring up that and them thing that, and you know, call them time that we in a youth and them thing that. I say, what you mean? I say, although we in a youth, I was responsible and mature, I mean, I say wrong, because that is rape. You understand?
Yeah, you know, go to the same place.
Don't say that, I tell him. So I vex him now, and he must say, oh, so true me hurt him feelings, and he must say, oh, I true you don't know, you know, say, G want kill you know, from when he want kill you. I mean, I say, wow. I some know say what, and him and them, at the same time, you know, although me have a group, you know, him and them a plan for we have reunion, you know, and I say, boy, how for meet, and me now, me myself, too, me say, look here, me not a reunion with no guy, you know, that before the man tell me that, you know.
Okay.
And I say, oh, so when you not planning a reunion, you not plan for him kill me, because him a drug dealer, you know.
Yeah.
And him come from Cockburn Pen, and used to work at Hunsby, so then some people from Cockburn Pen say, him say, you know, me send must to a film cousin got departure. I said them a criminal, I just so it go moon no. I mean, no care about that.
So that's why I kill you.
Yeah, you understand. So you know that's why me not deal with Gary Mackenzie again from that.
You can't trust him.
No man, the man a criminal man. You understand? Yeah, I mean, I grew up still learning, but me not kick him out on them thing, but me just not deal with him.
Alright.
Yeah man.
Alright.
A criminal man. Them the.
I swear, man.
I say man them mash up Pusey and them thing. The same police where him trust at them.
Who done Pusey?
Yeah man, a police were connected to Renita Adams and them pies of the man, you know. Them geek.
But Donald was diabetic and all them stuff. Me not think a pies.
No man. When me say pies, me not talk literally like how them kill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I say them put drugs in him liquor and it mash up him brain. Even him dead, him never know night from there. No, sir. If him see you, not even remember you.
And you know, are you with sparring partner, you know?
Me know, man. Renita Adams, and Pierre. That's why I tell you, say, me not trust no one of them. You see which one me come from? Me learn that. Even Motis Scott know everyone of my family member, them still learn.
Yeah, but you know, it's like, I say, Renita Adams, him and the man never par. The man never like him. No man,
remember say a Pusey contribute why them charge him for murder, you know. A Pusey.
Yes, that's what I say. Man like a Pusey and you never like Renito.
No sir, cause I want, you know, at the man was no bad police and them thing. When me know the man was full police, you know.
Every time I hear a man call Renito Adams name, me say, and the man say man this man that. Me say no, Renito Adams nobody.
A thief man, the man a political activist.
Them claims that Renito Adams killed one man in a police life, one man. And how he killed the man? He used to ride bike East Kingston, you know. He made him partner and then kill him partner. And the man them who go look for the guy who kill him partner, catch the man and call Renito and say, listen, this man here kill your partner. So what you going to do about it? And that's so comes in killing one man in a police life. When them time when go to Tivoli and a fire gun and do this.
Anytime I'm tell a man all the time on them thing there. Anytime PMP a call election, them that say them go to Tivoli, man kill dog, post, whole people, mad people and pitney.
Then claims when they transfer Small from Spanish Town, you know, and send Renito Adams go there, right? ready to all I'm gonna go sell out the peace in a St. Catherine to the bad man, them, you know.
It was a political act. Look here, you see the police. You see police where put him up on the pedestal as you know as a top man. I want brother when my enemy used to work in Ludlow Mort, you know him dead, you know.
You hear about Mort?
My enemy used to work, man. Him have a brother where in a force now in Ian Mort, and me meet him through Facebook and I said that before my brother dead, and I said, boy, my brother speak highly of you and them thing there. Because if most kind of police will follow people, you know, I would have got Spanish town with Mort. But I tell Mort, because them time Harry Bungles make him go over there, you know. Because through my Bungles radication. Yeah. And when him go over there, he realize I took him and corrupt.
Yeah, man, Harry Bungles are criminal, man. I say, I'm worried about
I won't
a while ago, when I listen to you and the brother, you know. And the brother say, watch man, and no found no corrupt on me. I said to myself, the man right, you know.
No, and him a criminal, but you know you matter about you said no, mix me up with them man. The man they are criminal.
No man, you ain't talking ready to Adams. I say ready to. No man, they are the police, brother.
The man they are criminal. Hey, but still, you know, the only thing with him better than Harry Bungles, you know, because I'm police and him.
Yeah, well, Harry Bungles are straight up thief.
A criminal man, yeah man. You know, so one police, Harry Bungles met join the police force, man. Them man thief in coke. Lincoln Parker. Harry Bungles tell the man if he bring back in coke. And the man, Harry Bungles met man kill him. Man in De La Vega City kill him. Which part in Barn and grow. Kill the man for it. You understand?
So dangerous police in there pass through the work,
man. Hey.
Dangerous one, man.
I tell you, hey, you have a boy who soon come out of prison here, Ian Moscow. I look him, John Gaz make him not dead because Ken Nang did P. Harry Bungles forget him, make him dead. You understand? John Gaz saved that them boy in the life, you know, man.
Yeah, we not talk about John Gaz.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I know joining me there a year or three there, you know, him quiet guy like. You know? Yeah, man, him there a year or three.
I want to know police, hey, from the American police where I'm still loyal.
Well, that's not true.
Yeah, you know, that's a boy, you do no bad shooting and them thing there.
Yeah,
them time we never have no other agency we are investigate the area and them thing there.
True.
Police free, yeah man, we know from the man from the American, the man, police free of them man there, man, John Gaz.
Why? The one next on a man, they one detective, the man sergeant, and I think he get inspector after a while. Kingdom right hand man, that man. We name one big guy, the man, in stout like. His name, man, you see a man, if one night time as detective sergeant. I come from, I don't remember his name, man, but.
I'm still in Iraq, see me?
No, man, the man I seen the man. The man they work long time, you know. Well, the man this kingdom man, them, you know.
Well,
yeah,
me no know, hey, me no know them man there, you know.
No, you know who? It's kingdom.
No, when me say me no know him and them thing there. When me that client and them thing there. Them time in a late 80s and him have something on Rhinesbury. You know, function and thing, and the man them say, then time when the patrol man them say, boy, they might go down there and them thing there. Every man I get an envelope. Me say, oh, and them say, no. Me say, you leave me. Me a young police, you know.
I tell you something, you know. I was in Sellisbeth when the ganja trade up there, you know, brother.
Yeah.
And you must hear about the Gas Brothers, them and them man.
Yes, man, and the Ottars and them people.
All right, well, the Ottars, them, me and them man. But when we come to Sellisbeth, me get to meet the Gas Brothers, the one named Alvin. He was the mean one, but the one named Boca was the better one.
Yeah.
So we used to like the man they rally around we and thing. The man that we come by, we are drink and thing and feed their spot, see? I remember one day Alvin said to me, say Mark, you can come check me at my house, no brother. All of them other cops come check me.
We've come to the end of part 3 of this explosive 4-part series. You know, what you have just heard, you know, full uncensored testimony of this former police officer telling you what happened back then in 1980. You know, how the PMP destroyed Jamaica people's mindset and imparted criminality onto them. So when I told you that I'm from the belly of the beast and I told you that the only thing that the PMP know to create are criminals, now you're hearing it for yourself. Even police officers, they were able to corrupt their minds for them to become criminals, in which they could not do that with yours truly, because I have a conscience and I can think for myself. So you're looking at the man, the old Satan, death merchant, DK Duncan, a man who has issued many M16 rifles. He and two of his daughter, one of them Imani Duncan and the other one Patricia Duncan Sutherland. That's a woman that's up by Augustown. Anyway, the Duncans them go is trouble, you know. She went to South Clarendon. The people them down in Niamara out. What you mean? Because them know say only thing that these people know to do is breed criminals. You don't want a criminality in your community. Because criminals are terrorists, parasites. You want to get rid of them. So, as you know, you're listening to DK Duncan, Piggy Williams, and the late Ironside, the day before the 19-year election was held with a Bushmaster semi-automatic weapon in a briefcase, and how their lives were spared by the soup of St. Elizabeth. As we said to people before, if you are not corrupt, nobody can corrupt you, you know. Because when I was a police officer, as a detective at Hornsby, I could have made millions. But the most important thing is your soul, and your character, and your credibility, and your integrity. So I choose to do what is right, not who is right. So that's why I was one of the thieving police officers at Hornsby. I do the right thing. They could not corrupt me. Even although I got the opportunity, and 3 occasions to bodyguard Portia Simpson Miller. Maybe I would be a superintendent or a senior soup now, but I choose to do the latter because I cannot turn a blind eye to corruption and criminality and gunman business and that. No, I can't do that because I born and grow in a belly of beast. That's why the reason why I become a police officer. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.